Good afternoon, intermediate families. The intermediate reading teachers look forward to introducing a new reading program for all students this year. Students will no longer have RC goals to meet, but instead they will have the opportunity to complete their daily independent reading within each classroom. This will be called DIRT, or the Daily Independent Reading Time. Students will choose novels based on their interest and Lexile level, in addition to teacher approval. Students will read daily and complete response to reading journals every day in the classroom. Upon completion of each novel, students will be required to complete a reading project. 3 reading projects will be completed each quarter. Projects will be completed at home and have very specific rubrics, and each project can only be completed twice per year. Projects are due within 1 week of novel completion. Students will take a Lexile test each quarter and record their new Lexile range on this letter. Please look for this letter in your child's binder this evening with their new quarter 1 Lexile range recorded. On the back of this letter, you will also find their reading response project choice board. You will see all of the choices that they are available to choose from. And this will be a letter that you need to keep in their binder for the entire school year. It will help track your students' projects and know which projects they are still able to complete upon novel completion. The intermediate reading teachers look forward to implementing this new program. Thank you for your support.